Hello and welcome to Berries. From now on, I will explain how to install the Berries magnetic paddle shifter for BMW. For safety reasons, we strongly recommend disconnecting the negative terminal of your battery before beginning. If you prefer not to disconnect the battery, please ensure you do not unplug the airbag connector during installation to avoid activating the airbag warning light. First, turn off the engine and open your trunk. Remove the lower trunk cover to access the battery. Disconnect the negative terminal of the battery using a 10mm socket and place it on a towel to prevent any accidental contact. Next, use a TORX T20 driver to access the pinhole on the lower left side of the steering wheel and press it to release the airbag lock. Repeat the same process on the right side as well. If this is your first time removing the airbag, there may not be a visible hole in the leather. In that case, you'll need to gently press around the area with your finger to locate the hidden pinhole before inserting the driver. Carefully pull out the airbag and disconnect the connector by pressing the push tab. Now use a TORX T20 screwdriver to remove the screws from the genuine paddle shifters. Then use a small flathead screwdriver to disconnect the connector. Install the Berries magnetic paddle shifter. Genuine screws are not compatible, so use the provided screws to tighten the steering wheel frame both sides. Genuine screws are not compatible, so use the provided screws. Reconnect the paddle shifter's connector and neatly place the harness back into original position. Reconnect the airbag connector and firmly push the airbag back into original position until it clicks into place. Lastly, reconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Just like that, your installation of the Berries magnetic paddle shifter is completed. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you see you again soon.